Well, finally cleaned it up. Cable management looks a lot better. I mean, there's still some more I can do. Everything is running off of iCUE, except for the video card. I have to get a new video card because I don't think MSI works with iCUE. I just had an Asus one, but it bugged out, so I had to buy another one just to replace it. But there she blows. There she blows. Top fan just over the top cooler, just where the intake is. Get that extra little cooling effort. Well, it works. And all my bad cables are over here. Just a junk show. Well, that's it. I hope you look at my previous and look at this now, and it's a lot better.